Nation, welcome back to the channel. Pick up yourself, guys. Alright guys, let's get to some business right away. First of all, guys, I want to big up Anthony Spearfishing JA. Guys, please jump over to his channel and give him a like, share, and subscribe to his channel. One of my many supporters, and also another YouTube channel, guys. Also, guys, I want to big up Jamaica Vibes Adventure. Big him up, guys. Jump over to his channel, give him a little support just as well, guys. He just lost his dad just as well, and condolences to him and his family. All right, Jamaica Adventures, big up yourself, youth. Now go and do nothing same way. Blessings in the fishing thing, cause now shoot to not catch fish on adventure park islands and all these things. Big up on yourself, love the vibes. All right, guys, Mickey's and Stretch at Fun Times. Mickey and Stretch Fun Times, big them up too, just as well. All right, I was supposed to link up, but didn't happen because other things and running up and down and stuff, guys. All right, Cray Spearfishing, one of my first like major booster. Cray Spearfishing, big him up all the time. All right, guys, Surf and Rock Fishing in Barbados, shout out, big up yourself, same way. All right, guys, Junior Lifestyle of Fishing, big him up same way. Check out his channel, guys. Junior Spearfishing does all of that stuff with crocodiles and all that stuff. Big up yourself, man. I always say it, you know, Junior, you're brave in the backside. So I said, all right, guys, not last but not least, Jam Houston Adventures. All right, guys, go over to Jam Houston Adventures channel, guys. Give him a major support because his channel got hacked and they actually took his channel away from him, guys, and he's actually changed the channel name and everything and started a new channel and building back up again. And the name of the channel is Jam Houston Adventures, guys. Please jump over to his channel and give him a like, share, and subscribe to his channel all the way, guys, so he can build back up his thing again. I don't know if I forgot anybody, guys, but also Rich and Leo Anglin in the UK. Big them up just as well. I always watch Rich and Leo's videos. Shout out to Carpin, big up yourself, Carpin. All right, guys, so if I forgot somebody, forgive me, please. Just stay tuned, guys, for this adventure. So big up yourself, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel and watch the ad, guys. Please, I mean, just give it a, this is only 8 seconds. It's not gonna kill you. Just watch the ads. All right, guys, stay tuned for this epic adventures. Big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Guys, I was up top river before. That lay my rat in the ear, careful. Come on. May I go so? Look. Underneath the bridge. Careful, watch out for wires here. Don't step on any wires that you see. Yeah, guys. So me and Laurie's on the hunt this morning. We was up river earlier. Wasn't really getting a good vibes. Careful, careful. Wasn't getting a good vibes early, guys. But I'm gonna make an attempt underneath this bridge. Come here, side. Careful, don't sit on nothing. Pay attention. You heard me? Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. This one. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Got a snook. That's what's up, guys. Got one, Laurie. Hmm? Came on a hunt, guys. This is what's up. Look at this little guy.
Maybe drop him back.
Keep him? Huh? You want him? All right, Laurie says keep it, guys, so we're gonna keep this one.
It's not going anywhere.
I want me catch. Go. Hmm?
Where?
I'm a big fish that. Alright, now I throw more and throw him back on Larry, tell me if I keep it. I throw more and throw it back on my daughter, so I must keep it. Hold this. String the fish. That's what it is. You know how to string him? Alright, let me show you how to string it. Alright, give me. Let me see. I don't want the fin sticking me. Damn, he's gonna get dirty. Give me. Hold on, the string. Push the string through the gill, come back up, go back through the loop, and then you can keep him in the water and keep it fresh. You just go so. And you string him, so any other fish you have after this, wash them off for me there, please.
Good size, okay.
A baby fish that one. A local fish that. Thank you, bro. Larry, hold the string. Let me get one more real quick and get out of here. Give these guys. Yo, I seen a big drummer up top a while ago.
Yeah.
Up there a while ago. Up top. Just now.
And them size them.
Let me get one more snook before I get out of here. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. That's what's up. Let's grab one more. I know they're here. Today is supposed to be an excellent bite time today. Come on, take it now. Oh, fish on.
Nice size, nice size.
I make it seem too easy, don't I?
Eh?
I make it look easy, don't I?
No, time I run down your bait. How will you use?
This.
You know I use no bait.
That's it. Larry, juke him on. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Jamaican lure fishing. This is what it's all about. I'm gonna try to pick up some more fish, but not yet. Nothing else here right now. Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on, guys. Fish on. One more. Haha. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Look at that. Knew it. Alright, let's get this lure secured. And get this fish secured, guys. And get this hook out of his mouth. Give me that string. String. Hold this for me. Hold this for me. Hold this. Let me get the string. I was down under the bridge before, guys. And there was a big snook up here yesterday that I seen, guys. And I've been hunting them from yesterday. And it's like this fish is just not picking up on the lure. I went after him down on bridge down there earlier. Nothing, guys. Working that lure, guys. So what you want to do, guys, basically work the lure from a shaded spot to a sunny spot. Fish don't like the sun. So you try to cause a disturbance, get that lure to act up going into the sunlight. See how that lure is swimming, guys? That's how you know your lure is jiggling it. So, I worked here this morning, nothing. Went under the bridge, picked up 2 small snooks and a snapper on the front of the river. Now I'm back up top here again, guys, just giving it another shot to see what else I can pick up. I see you. Look at that big snook, guys. You seen that big snook, guys? Oh my God, look at that size of that snook that just swam past. Holy smoke, that snook was huge. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Snook. Haha. One more, guys. That's what's up. Knew I got ya. Ha ha ha. There's a bigger one swimming around here, guys. But I got this little one. Look at him. Woohoo! Number 4 for the day, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. This is what's up. Haha. Let's see if we can grab another one up here, guys. Drop that guy up there. He stays up there. See if we can pick this big one up, guys. Knew he was up there. There's a bigger one floating around here, guys. And that's what's up. And this is really shallow waters, guys. I've been running this lure through here for a minute now. Guys, here goes our catch from today. Got them cleaned up and got them scored up. I got my seasoning over here, and I'm about to roast these bad boys on the fire outside, guys. I'm about to drop these things on this new method I got for the fish. I'm gonna roast these up for dinner, guys. So guys, stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys, outside. We got them seasoned up now, guys. Scored, seasoned up. I'm gonna drop them on this grill, get them outside on that fire, guys, because I think that fire is ready. But I don't even know how I'm gonna get these things in here and how many I can fit in here. I think I can only fit 3 of them in here at a time, guys, if I'm not correct. Yep, 3 at a time, and this could hardly fit. So how do I make this work? Alright, I gotta go one sideways like this and drop the next one sideways like this, and I'll do 3 of them at a time first, guys, and then I'll come back and I'll do the next one by itself. Pick up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. Got the coal fire lit. That's all ready to go. It's not too high, it's just spread right heat on it there, guys. We got our fish in here, so we're gonna drop that on there, guys. And this is Laurie's job now. She's gonna flip these fish every couple of minutes or so until they're done. All right, guys, Jamaican shore fishing, we are out here. Stay tuned, guys, for the finishing touch. Guys, look at that, guys. Right there, roasting up in that mesh. I like this mesh. I just got this mesh off Amazon, guys. Believe it or not, it's pretty cool. Kind of like it. Makes things a lot simpler to roast your fish, guys. You just open it up and drop them out, and that's it. So stay tuned, guys. Roast fish on the grill. I've already got the last one on. She just flipped it. That's what it looks like on the other side, guys. So she's just flipping it so it's not burning on one side too much, guys. And make sure this is all roasted properly. Pick up yourself, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Shore fishing here, guys. The finishing touch, guys. This is a roast fish. This is awesome, guys. This is my first time actually doing it with this thing. Worked out pretty well. So me and Laurie's gonna dig into this, guys. Pick up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing here. Thank you for watching. We are out here, guys. One love. Yeah, guys, we're gonna close this video like this. It's a wrap. Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, guys, we've been at it all morning. It's now 9 o'clock in the morning, guys. Time to get back in. We have things to do. A couple of situations happening at the moment, guys, but big up yourself, guys. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share, watch your ads.